All right, so let's make a mini banana pudding. So I have my Laura Danes cookies, a banana, banana cream, some milk. Happy. And I'm not making, did I say whipped cream? I'm not making a big one. I'm gonna put the cookies at the bottom. Cookies at the bottom. So I am mixing my banana cream. And I don't like my banana pudding to be loose. So I think I like it to be a little thick. Because once I put the whipped cream in there, again, I'm not making a big one, so I may just use my banana. I'm gonna do the cream too. I'm not making a lot. Now I like banana pudding, but I do not really like a lot of bananas. Isn't that crazy? So here's the cream. So I added some cookies. And I don't really like it to be, I like it thick. I like it to be thick. So here's the cream. I know, everybody's different, but yeah, here is the cream. Alright, so I'm going to top it off with some more cookies. And this is the banana pudding. I didn't make a big one. So sweet dessert. That's what it looks like. And like this. Oops. Come with some cookies in the top. Clean up my nose. Alright, so here's the finished product.